me tell you something. This is a damn shames. About this plane going downs. Innocent people's their lives were lost on the account of poorly made air flying vehicles. It's a shames. This poor guy, he lost his families because of the negligence of technology. You know, it's just a damn shame that things like this need to happen. And the figures, everybody else died, but the pilot, he had a parachute. He flew right out. He flew right out. Not even a scratch on the man's. That ain't right. That ain't right one bit. Should have never happened. Should have never happened. You know, I'll tell you something. Things like this need to be avoided. You know, there's too many people's getting killed these days because of technology. Hey, technology is what's gonna kill us all eventually. One days, I hate to say it, but that's what's gonna happen. Technology is gonna destroy us, like in Terminator 2. Don't you guys remember that? With the nuclear warfare, we're gonna kill ourselves, and if we just don't do something about it now, who knows? Pretty soon, one days, robots might be washing our cars. They might be driving our cars. They might be taking our kids to school. They might be wiping your ass. Hey, they might even be jerking you off. But who the hell knows? It's just a damn shames what the world has come to. We've become so lazy because we have all this technologies. Makes me sick. He knows what I means is. Shish.